Let's have a look how we can use the three primary colors to create other colors for melt and pour soap making. The primary colors are red, blue and yellow. I'm using a clear melt and pour base because the colors will turn out in a vibrant way. Like I said, the primary colors are red, blue and yellow. Let's have a look at them individually and then we will continue and combine them and see how they turn out. For these liquid colorants, a small amount goes a long way, so it's better to go little by little until you achieve the desired intensity. You can always add more if you want to. I will melt down this transparent soap base, and in the meantime I prepare some small cups and sticks to mix the colorants. Liquid colorants are typically very concentrated and you don't need much at all. Let's start with red without going too vibrant, still keeping a translucent type of look. Yellow is our next primary color. And finally, the blue colorant. I just want to show these colors separately to compare it with the complementary colors that we are creating by mixing these red, blue and yellow with each other. The complementary colors are green, purple and orange. Let's see how this works. Here we have the red colorant and I'm adding a little bit of blue. Depending on how much blue you add, you get different shades of purple. This one turned out beautiful, in my opinion. Let's add red to yellow and we get an orange. You can add less yellow and get a more tango type of color, or you add more yellow and less of the red for a more peachy type color. Here we have the yellow and mixing it with blue will result in green. More yellow will result in a grass green color, and if blue is the dominant color in the mixture, you will get a turquoise. Things become even more interesting and customizable when adding black and white to your color collection. Like for example, adding white to red results in pink, and here you can add more or less for different shades again. Adding white to blue results in a nice baby blue. You can already see how many variations are possible with just a few colors. Now here it's what happens if you add black to the red colorant. What a beautiful burgundy! In general, every time you add white to a colorant, you get a lighter version and a more pastel-y looking one too. Check out this very delicate yellow, perfect for projects like weddings or baby showers. You can mix the primary colors to get complementary colors and then add black or white to them, like for example adding white to purple, resulting in a nice lilac. Or in this example, where I first create a green color by mixing yellow and blue, and then adding black to create a nice dark green color. Let's have a look at how the soaps turned out. Once unmolded, you will be able to see the colors even better. If you are interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you will find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye!